Hi everyone, in this video I want to guide you on how to make your Google Chrome browser more secure on your PC. This is very simple. In less than 2 minutes guys, you are good to go. First, launch the browser on your device. Come to this three dots, click on it, scroll down to the base of this place until you have access to the settings, which is the second to the last button here. Click on it. Once you click on it, it takes you to this very side. Now first you have to do is to be sure that the browser you are using is always up to date. Click on about button here, then wait for it to check for update. If there is any update here, it's going to download this update and install, thereby preventing your browser from features or from hackers. That is the first thing you have to do. Make sure you update your browser time to time. Now that I've done that, come back to this place, locate and click on privacy and security, which is third on the list. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to bring to this interface. Then scroll down under privacy and security. Scroll down here, go and click on security. Once you click on security, the first thing you have to do here is to be sure that you use what is called safe browsing setting, and recommending one is enhanced protection. Real-time AI power protection against dangerous sites. Download extension that is based on your browsing data getting sent to Google. So make sure that you check this button. If you are on standard protection or no protection, then you are not safe as you may think. Then scroll up again where you see use secure DNS. It also is advisable to turn it on. Then select a provider, click on this arrow. You can either use Cloudflare DNS or Google public DNS. Either of these is the best. So let's click on Cloudflare. So you need to try this and see which one is work perfectly for you. And that is it guys. How was it? I feel able to done that. If you get this tip and if you're not subscribed, then don't forget to subscribe, like and share. We'll see you guys on our next video.